That's so funny. LOL. LOLs. IDK, what you mean? IDK. WYDM. What do you mean? How? JK, dude, this was just a joke. It was just a joke. I didn't mean it. It's a free country. I can do what I want. You don't tell me what to do. This is America. Freedom.
Okay, so here's my 3 reasons why school is important. Number 1, you get educated, because if you don't get educated, you're stupid. You understand? Number 2, yes, that is my reason. Number 3, because according to the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And if we use complex calculus to define the sum of this calculation, I'm just going to keep going on until you guys, unfortunately, don't like my message.